Hello, I'm in a 2015 Jeep Compass, and today I'm going to show you where your aux port, USB ports, and charger ports might be. So for this particular model, we've got a charger port right here. And then this actually has an aftermarket radio installed. So if you have the standard one, there might be an aux port and USB connectors here. And if you've got an aftermarket device installed, I would check, because often they'll run extra cords off to the side or into the glove box that you can then plug into with your USB or aux ports. This one does not, but sometimes they do. But this would be the main port here that's left for charging. And let's say it's not working for some reason, for even the radio as well. You could first check your fuses. Sometimes burnt fuses could cause these systems to not work right. And if that doesn't work, you might need to check behind all this plastic to make sure there's no loose connections or anything like that, and they need reattached or replaced. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.